YouTube, Never Fear. Logan J's here, back with another sneaker review. Bringing you unboxing, and this pickup came out Halloween. Just got here today. Today is Thursday, November the 5th, and let's get into it. Took it just about a week. Same paper that Adidas uses. Basically, I think they come out of the same warehouse or whatever. This is South Carolina. And whatnot. The box is huge. Okay. What we got? Bust it up instead of pump it up. This is how it ends. There you go. You got your yellow and black hazard going on there. Then you got like spray paint throughout the whole box here. What's this? Disclaimer: Ghost Smashers do not pump, they smash. Over here it says, let's talk more busting. And you got your Ghostbuster thing going on right there. Cool box, I like it. See if anything's at the bottom. More of that trademark going on right there. A little bit of the blue part peeking through. I like that. Cool box. And then you got this sticker here, PVN 90 TQC sticker. What's this? Here. And the way it's looking, I'm gonna take them out like this because of how it's feeling. It'll be easier the way it's wrapped up. This. You got this paper that has this, like, I don't know, different language, alien stuff or ghost stuff. I don't know. Whatever is going on there, I don't even know. But it is huge. This tissue paper is huge. You took care of these things. Ooh. Ooh, damn. What? Oh, man. Oh, look. This moves. Okay. Damn. Wow. Oh, man. I'm so excited. I didn't even look at the label on the box. I just passed it. And we got the Ghost Smasher. I'll show you. Shooting up close, look at that. Ghost Smasher. And then it's I don't even know what colorway this is. White. I'm thinking True Gray and Scarlet. True Gray 8 and Scarlet. Yeah, I don't even know. I don't know. And you got FY2106 as your style code. Oh man, the leather on these. What is going on here? Yo. Wow. Oh, this little tube thing came off. At least you could re-put it on. That's a good thing. I hope. This thing came off. Damn, just had it. Gotta be careful with this. Alright. Or you could plug it back here on this thing, because this one has it back here. Oh, my bad. This one has it back here. I just put it back up top here. I don't know, I seen the one, so you can put one of each however way you want, so I'll just do that. Man, really quick, this one, since the leather's so soft, these are pre-creased, which I don't mind. It already got this vintage looking vibe to it. It's got like a pre-yellowed looking upper there. You know, your dirty outsole right there. Just sick. Very unique. Never seen anything like this. I mean, you got different tubes. This one has a green tube here. This one has red, and the two on the outside are blue. What I want to show, and then inside here on the medial, this one has these red circles, look like time, full, empty. This one doesn't have nothing here, while this one has this thing going on. I don't even know, it's like an on and off button. And then you got the 1, 2, 3 here in red here, a little arrow, play button, whatever. Let's start off from the outsole. I know I jumped, but start this one. You got this black outsole, you got Reebok, and then it looks like a wash ashy look to it, like they splattered something on there that'll give it this effect. Going up to the midsole, it's a white midsole, white stitching, and then they added this like yellow, like a clay that you find in the baseball field, and black, like somebody just like rubbed it and just like they scuffed it, and that's throughout the whole upper. I'm guessing this is a similar vibe to the Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 1s, a BMX pair that he released. You know, I don't have those. I did see them online. I seen them, but that's the only thing that I could think of when I look at these like that in person. You got this white leather with that yellow throughout, and then you got this Reebok with the yellow and black, you know, marker, and then it drips down. That's a cool, nice effect there. What else? You got this tube here that says Insta Pump Reebok. I mean, there's nothing that'll be pumping here because it doesn't pump, but as you can see, get you up close, look at that really quick. Very unique, very different. Got the Reebok in the back here on the midsole. Got Reebok here, embossed at the top strap here, leather as well. Got your Velcro going on there. Open this up so you can see the inside of the sneaker there. There you go. And at the top of the tongue, you got your Ghostbuster logo there. And the back has the exposed foam and whatnot. This has like cross black stitching going on. The tongue is like a gray looking tongue. It's not black, and it feels like a leather. But it looks like suede. So it's a different type of leather that almost gives off the feel of like the hairs on the suede, but it is leather. Very nice. I like that. You got your gray sock liner there, light gray sock liner, and your black insole with your Ghostbusters logo in there. Production date, oh, made in Vietnam. And trying to see, This number goes up to 266, so there's at least 250 pairs of size 11. So these are semi limited, you know what I'm saying? If the number was under 100, I mean, you know, these be super limited, but these are pretty available. It's not into thousands. I don't know if they made 1,000 of each size, but these at least they made like 250. So, and that's the one shoe. What's this number here? So figure there's at least 125. This one says 456, so there's at least 250 pairs. This thing comes off very easy. So while you're wearing it, just know that these things will be coming off. This one's on pretty good. I like, you know, you could display it or whatever if you want. Do that. But yeah, this is cool that it moves. You got to be careful over time. This plastic will break and be no good. So, you know, that's the only thing about this plastic I see is gonna break down and whatnot. We'll see. But these just came out. Trying to see what else is different from this one to that one. That's about it. You got this red piping here goes around the heel, and this looks like could be 3M. No, this looks like it's leather, and then there's like some kind of woven material there. It's not, I wouldn't say it's, I mean, these are not Primeknit because it's not Adidas, but it looks like some kind of knitted mesh going on there. But yeah, this whole upper is a nice soft leather. They did it right. Very nice. Just to say inside the sticker came off here. Okay, stuck here. Proton pump is detachable and not intended for athletic use. So I guess you could kind of remove it. I don't see no instructions in there, but I guess you could actually, I mean, who's gonna use these athletically? But this is what it says right there. Let me get you an up close look. There you go. It doesn't even matter. Whatever. It's already like. Very unique. I love the concept. I like how these came out. This is dope. You know, very happy with the purchase. Like, it's very minimal, even though they added these little details to it. It's just enough, nothing too crazy, just enough. Oh, this one does not have that. It's just little details that, you know, I just unboxed it, so it's not like I'm looking at the details and showing you these little lines there and whatnot. So, but I don't want to take up too much of your time because that's a sneaker really quick. Hope you enjoyed the video. There you go. It's your boy Logan J. Damn, I didn't even know that thing was 15 minutes, 14 minutes. All right, peace.